In this video, I'm going to show you how to smelt gold and silver ores in Once Human. So what you have to do, there's a bit of steps you have to do to be able to do this, okay? The first one being, of course, you need to have some silver or gold ores. Now, as you can see in my inventory over here, I have a bit of silver ores right now. I don't have gold right now, however, it's the exact same process. Then what you have to do is unlock this electric furnace. Now you can do this by pressing I on your inventory, going to memetics yet again, and then inside the infrastructure, you want to unlock this tree all the way down to where you get electro refining. And as you can see, once you unlock this, you can get the formula for the electric furnace. Now, once you've done this, you have to go inside build mode, right click, so build mode, excuse me, press B on your keyboard, right click, and then inside facilities and function and excuse me, storage and facility, or it's inside, actually it's over here, excuse me, in production processing, you can see the electric furnace. Now you can click on it and place it anywhere inside your base, okay? Now once you've done this, you will have to hook it up to a generator. I would suggest you actually hook it up to these solar generators because they're the easiest to make and don't require much. You just place them down and that's it. So what you then want to do, once you've done this, as you can see, if I open up this electric furnace, there's no option to smelt gold or silver ores. What you have to do is actually unlock a memetic specialization. Now you want to go to memetics yet again, and then you want to go inside here where it says available specialization nodes, and then you want to get over here. So for me, it was down here on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. If I click on it, precious metal refining, as you can see, this one's the option, and it says unlocks new formula, precious metal refining, smelt gold and silver ores into ingots using the electric furnace. The ingots can be sold for a large number of energy links. Now you want to confirm this and unlock this. There we go. As you can see, I now have this specialization, and you can then escape and go out. And then when you walk up to your electric furnace, you'll see that you're now able to kind of cook your silver ingot. As you can see, it takes 60 seconds to cook one. You just want to simply kind of put however many you want to smelt and then press F to craft, and that's it. Now as you can see, for only 33 ingots it will take 33 minutes to finish. It takes a bit of time, however that's not a problem because you can do whatever you want in the meantime. So that's pretty much it. That's how to smelt gold and silver ores. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.